welcome back. Okay, so real quick, in today's video, I am gonna walk you guys through a homemade recipe for a face moisturizer. You know, the older we get, really it shouldn't matter how old you are. You should always think about the products and the ingredients you're putting onto your skin. But as we get older, we really start to think about this. So a lot of moisturizers and face creams and eye creams contain a lot of things that are actually harmful for your skin, like alcohol and fragrance, things that you don't even really need for your skin. So because I use Retin-A and my skin tends to be a little more dry and irritated, I started off by looking for a product at the grocery store or a product that really wasn't that expensive, that was alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and pretty natural and harsh or non-harsh ingredients in it. I couldn't find anything that wasn't outrageous, and I started thinking, you know, why would I buy a little tube of something that was organic or all natural when I could just make my own? So I ended up finding a really good recipe from draxe.com. I absolutely love him. He is a holistic doctor and he has so many ingredients and helpful tips on his website. He has a store. You can buy products from him. I have shopped from draxe.com and gotten lots of my advice and tips from him. So I did purchase all the ingredients and I already had some of the ingredients, but when I am done with the video, I'm gonna link in the description an Amazon links to all of the products that I bought and that I used. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you give it a try and you love it, please comment below. Any other tips you want to give me, any other suggestions, if you have any video suggestions for other products or reviews or anything, leave a comment below and I will get back with you. Let's dive right in and let's get this going.